Mr. Bray, can you rerun that first image? It looked like it was outside of a plane window. And if you wouldn't mind going up to the screen and tell us what we're seeing. Not that you can necessarily tell us what we're seeing, but explain what we should be looking at in that first image.
Absolutely. And Alexi, what I'll ask is if you can stop it at a certain point.
And are we looking outside of a civilian aircraft window? Is that what we're looking at?
We're looking outside a U.S. Navy F-18.
Okay.
And this is great. It shows how difficult the analysis is. Go just a little farther forward, Alexi. Finding UAP is harder than you may think. What you'll find eventually on this, when we find the right frame, is for literally about one frame here, is a spherical object that passes right through here, passes right through there because the aircraft is moving pretty fast.
Is that it right there? Can you point to the screen again what we're supposed to be looking at? Okay, if you could stop that frame. No, it's not the one.
Alexi, just push play. Here's what you'll see coming up right here is a near one. Now backwards. Spherical object right here, zoomed by the window, right in this area right there. There we go. Could you see that part right there again going by? I think we're having a hard time stopping it the next month.
Okay.
So as you can see, it's difficult, and I think a part of the issue here is the laptop we're working with is not as easy for stopping that video in the right spot.
We'll describe what we have seen in that. What are we observing?
What you see here is aircraft that is operating in a U.S. Navy training range that has observed spherical object in that area, and as they fly by it, they take a video. You see it looks reflective in this video, somewhat reflective, and it quickly passes by the cockpit of the aircraft.
And is this one of the phenomena that we can't explain?
I do not have an explanation for what this specific object is.
And is this one of the situations where it is? That's the object that we're looking at right there?